Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again, and sorry for not posting video regularly. But today the video would be much more interesting and much more different than any other videos. Today the topic is programming. You know, programming is really an important thing in our life to get a job in a technical side. So watch the video till the end. Hopefully you will benefit. Hopefully you will be get knowledge about programming and how to start programming. So watch the video till the end. So friends, at first I want to say that programming is not that really hard to learn, and that's not needed to go to a classes or not go to some schools to learn programming. You can just learn programming by watching YouTube videos, by visiting websites, and to get through online courses. You can easily learn programming. And why should you learn programming? Why programming is needed? You will get all the explanation in this one video. Programming mainly means that to give order or to communicate with the computer how you want to run the computer is called programming. Programming is partly needed to build a software, to build a website by coding it, and the web page is called designing it, and to how to run the website and to lead the website to run, that is called programming. And you need programming there to help to run the website. Code a program to the software, and you can run the software as your wish and as you wanted to run the software to, and whatever you wanted to do with the software. Now come to the main discussion: how can you learn programming very easily or sometimes by free online courses. Code Academy is one of the website where you can learn programming for absolutely free. Udacity and Udemy is such websites where you could learn free or you could learn by paid courses. But my suggestion is reading a book, or to write codes in paper, or to practice mathematical fundamentals which you have learned from class 6 or to class 12. You can practice those things and you could get a better idea about what is programming and how code is written. But maths is definitely different from that coding also. You have to learn it basically from the main studying of that, and mainly the maths would help you absolutely in coding right and proper program. But friends, programming is not that easy to learn. You need to keep on working hard and keep on practicing programming to be expert in it. And you cannot be expert in just in one day. You need to practice it for a long time. Generally, it takes 3 to 4 months to learn programming according to speed or your pace. You can learn it more easily or in more, and also in less time you can learn programming according to you, as I said, according to your speed and how you take it to learn. Next comes why you should learn it and where programming is used. As I said before, programming is mainly used to create website or create systems or create software. For example, Visual Basic is used in Microsoft as a programming language, as there are many programming languages such as Python, JavaScript, C++, which is mainly used in big websites or big sites like Google, Facebook, Amazon, YouTube. As Google uses Python, Facebook uses Python, Amazon uses C++, YouTube uses Python programming languages. But you cannot learn all the programming languages at one time. The first and the most easiest programming language to learn is Python, which you could learn easily in a very short time. It doesn't matter that if you learn one language and then you can learn other languages. If you learn one language like Python, you can easily learn languages like C++, JavaScript. But my decision and my opinion is, if you try to learn Python, you can easily go to JavaScript. As I have tried some of the basic things, Python and JavaScript is quite similar, but I think C++ is quite higher level education and quite higher level mathematics over there, so you would face some problems over there to understand the things and understand the functions, the strings and all those things. Again, come to some of the resources or some of the ways that you could learn programming. First of all, you obviously need a laptop or a PC. That shouldn't be that high level Intel Core i. You could just use Windows 10, Windows 7 to learn programming. And if you are going through all those videos, YouTube is there. You have many channels over there. I don't want to mention any names, but there are wide a number of channels to learn programming. But I think YouTube is not that a better idea to learn programming. You should obviously go for a book, buy a book. You can learn the basics, and then you can try in a text editor or code editor, and then you can learn programming there easily. One of the best code editor to properly write your code is Atom, which I am using currently, and many of the preferable websites like Udemy, Code Academy prefer this text editor to learn your coding. Now let's know if there is any obstacles while learning the programming. Yes, there are many obstacles while you start learning programming. One of the biggest obstacles, you can't be totally focused on programming if you are doing something others. So you need to really be focused on what you are doing and be dedicated to learn programming, because programming is not that easy to learn. But friend, if you try your hard and you try your level best, you could obviously learn programming very easily, and that is not that hard, that if you focus you could learn it easily. So friends, that was all for today. Subscribe my channel to get all the latest tech up to date. If you want to learn programming and want more videos regarding programming, then subscribe my channel and leave a comment below to let me know about posting videos related to programming. So hopefully you will be benefited from this video and gain much knowledge about programming.